Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem, right over there. Put one finger in and then push it left and then lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod. There should be a clip over there for you. Pull the rod out of the clip, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it in position like this. Let go of the hood and now it's secure. Once the hood is open, that right there where the engine air box is, we have to undo two clips. The one over there, pull it back, and the second one right over there. Now we can lift up the cover, but before we do that, we have to slide the cover and get those two tabs which are over there, get them out of the slots. The one over here and the second one in the back there. So just lift up the cover and slide it out of there, slightly. That is good. Now it's clear from both those tabs. That is good. Now we can lift up the cover a lot more, and that gives us access to the filter. Just grab the filter and get it right out. Now the bottom side is the dirty side. That's where all the dirt is trapped, and the top side is the clean side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the top goes in the engine. Now before you put the new filter back in, if you want, you can vacuum clean that area. You don't have to, but it's just nice to do. Put the new filter in and it should just drop right in. And once it's in position, it should not move. It should be a snug fit. There should be no gaps over there. Let's put the cover back on, and the one thing to keep in mind is make sure that those two tabs, they go in the slot. There's one over here and that one over in the back. Just slide them both in. Ensure that they're both in place properly. 1 and 2, that is looking good, and only after that will you be able to put those two clips back on. 1 and 2, and that is pretty much it. First push on the hood, get the load off the prop rod and get the prop rod out of the slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.